We are starting our day off at Fig at 7th, and looks like there's a farmer's market here. So we're gonna walk around, see what's good. Very cultural, very nice. No carbs. Here it is, a very small market, I would say. Yeah, that's about it. Here's the fruit section, veggies, fresh from the garden. Carrots, bunnies. And then we have dragon fruit. I know, I don't like dragon fruit. It's just
watered down kiwi.
Yeah, flavorless. Ooh, flowers. We're trying to like get rid of our flowers and they're trying to sell flowers. Hey, but these are pretty. Mine at the house are ugly, right? Alrighty, lunchtime at Tacos 1986. Let's check this place out. Very small. I heard it's really good. Here they're prepping the tacos. They're known for their adobada right there, which is pork. This is their menu up here. Brian's friend at the network event told me this place is really good. Tacos 1986. And we got our drinks first. No hibiscus for me because pregnancy says so. And this is just water and Coke. Bon appetit. And here's a salsa station, do it yourself. They have 4 over here, and these are, I'm not sure, but we'll check them out. Here's our salsas and our food right here, looking good. So the adobo is basically the same thing as al pastor, but no pineapples. That's the only difference. Take your photos, Instagram. Nice view. We're at Costco now, and guess what? Pineapples to induce labor.
They're all like separated packets.
I know. Is there anyone like
Are they the sparkling ones?
Okay, big ones in. Let's see what we have here. Fruits, seaweed. This is so good, except it's not organized like it used to be. Toothpaste and harmless coconut water is on sale right now for $10. It's usually $13 for 6-pack. Back at Home Depot, and we're going to get a chainsaw. Here it is, the electric chainsaw by Home Life. Ready to murder some trees. Look at all these succulents. They're so pretty. Nice and colorful.
They paint them.
Oh, they paint them? Why?
I don't know.
Okay.
Lab cruelty.
I know. Okay, and he is being super extra. We came here for one item, and look at this. You act like I don't see you? What about our drinks? Thank you. To hydrate. Get some electrolytes that
That's hilarious. You guys did have this.
I know.
You guys had all of this.
I know.
Min doesn't want
I had a huge one, but
We don't want the fruit punch, babe. This guy. What happened to doing work? Oh my gosh.
I'm doing work.
I can do this.
No, you can't.
Why not?
I don't want you touching that chainsaw.
Jeez. So we need this for the palm trees because it's just way too big. And maybe like these ones right here. Hopefully it doesn't, you know, hurt you or anything like that.
Oh. There's a little tip guard. Keeps it from kicking back on us.
No kicking back, okay? Test run. Careful now. Looks like it's a lot of
Actually, I should remove the chain guard. Because if the chain guard, it's blocking my way.
Okay. day 3 on the lawn, the garden, and I feel like it's starting to get draggy. A lot of work coming along. Things that we didn't plan on doing, we're going to do, and yeah, that always happens when we try to renovate or demo a place. So all these unexpected things, we'll have to deal with it. Glasses. Let's rock and roll. It's fully sliced all the way through, and so now it's timber. Oh, look at that! It's still pretty thick to get down the roots and stuff. It's gonna be hard. But tomorrow we're gonna rent a skid steer, so we're gonna dig with the big machine or the mini one, the mini skid steer. So excited! There goes that one, and then we have a tree over there, the stump over there. Okay, now moving on to this section right here. Okay. This is a lot of arm work. I tried to do it. My husband won't let me. Oh. Wow. At least you're getting some muscle work in. You need help?
No.
Okay.
I work out for the year.
It's getting pretty dark right now, so we need some lights. I put that together myself, all by myself. Very, very bright, very useful. So we can do this until 10, I suppose, just to be courteous to our neighbors. And I think we have about like 2 hours. It's about 8 something right now. Whew. Lots and lots to do. It's about 8:40 right now, and me and my husband taking a break. He's thinking about getting the skid steer tonight because he's so anxious and excited, and also it's probably going to be a little bit more time consuming since it's really hot, so we want to get the tools ready, and then tomorrow morning wake up really early so that it's not hot, and then continue working on the stuff. So what's the game plan, hubby?
Alright, let's go get it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hot Mess Express. So yay, we're finally using this truck. It's been a moment. Here's our little tower thingy, and we're getting this one right here. This small one, mini one. We're loading it up right now.
I guess the person who posted out didn't check, unfortunately.
This one's going to be useful for the pine trees or the palm trees. Hubby's hooking it up right now. Okay, we just picked up the skid steer. You guys see that? So we'll prep it for tomorrow early morning to use, so we save time and you know, not work in the heat as well. Super excited, husband right here. Can't wait to pick up this tool. This is basically for regular gas, but somebody put diesel in it, the last person who rented it, so they're going to have to come in the morning and service this tool, the skid steer, and they're going to have to replace it with the regular gas. So yeah,
They gotta siphon out all the old fuel and then
yeah,
and then put in gasoline, not diesel.
yeah. So people think it's diesel, that's why they return it with diesel, but it's actually gas. Okay, so that's a little bit of a time waster, but hopefully
No, it actually helped us because they won't start the clock until
we get the gas.
till we get the gas. So we'll
I
set it all
see.
up tomorrow.
So we picked this up around like 8:30 or 9:30 right now p.m. and it's supposed to start the clock right now. We get it for about 24 hours.
Yeah.
And they're going to reset the clock once we get the gas. So works in our favor. Hopefully they don't forget about us tomorrow morning.
Hope not.
Lego. We're back home and we have intruders.
Yeah, elves.
I know.
Elves working for you.
I know. All right, let me get out. She's my little elf for today, for tonight. We shouldn't go too late, babe. It's like almost 10. Okay? Only like half an hour.
Yeah, I mean, you just gotta trust that you're gonna.
I think we're
swing
going to go
fast.
just until 10.
Huh?
He said we're going to shut off at 10.
Yeah, right? Yeah.
It's tough on your.
Go.
There you go. That's a good one.
See, it's not budging.
That one was too low. There you go.
Come on, Oma. One more swing.
Doesn't look like it.
It's okay.
You loosened it. Now I take credit for it.
He does take credit for it.
Look at Kimmy. Straight from Vietnam or something. She's got sandals on while doing this.
And no goggles.
No goggles? She learned from the best. I did this a few years back, but in the restroom. Wow. Late night getting some In-N-Out. This is my second meal of the day. I have to eat something for Pooper. Scooper. Okay, here we have some fries and In-N-Out burgers. About 10 or 11 p.m. right now. Bon appetit. Cheers to water. Thanks, Kimmy, for coming out.
She came out.
It's the end of the night and I'm finishing up my cupcake. This is my dessert for the day. Brian is totally knocked out over there. He's super tired. Got a shower though, honey. Can't be just laying there stenching up this place. You know the rules. Alright. Toodles, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Another day of hard work. So we gotta rest up.